Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and then I'm going to create a poll on one of my group chat on Instagram. I'm going to open up the DM, and then for instance I'm going to create an Instagram poll on this group chat. I'm going to tap on that, and in the previous version of Instagram, if we want to create a group chat poll, we can click on the sticker icon, and then the group chat poll option will appear right here. But in the newest version of Instagram, we need to click on this plus icon and then select poll to create group chat poll. Okay, select poll and then add your poll question right here. I'm just going to add, what is my favorite color? Okay, I'm going to ask my friends to answer this question with a poll or vote. Okay, then add the option for the question. You can add more than one option like this. Just add the options as many as you want. Oops. Okay, and one more option. Okay, and once you're done creating the poll, you can click on create poll to send the poll to your Instagram group chat. Okay, and after that, the group chat's members will be able to give their vote. We just need to click on vote to vote the option. Okay, like this, and don't forget to submit the vote. And if you want to view the result, you just need to tap on the poll like this. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a group chat poll on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.